you have to replace the Jeep Grand Cherokee windshield wipers. Easy. You just have to unclip this, you know, and this is gonna be a hook, so you push it up and you remove it. See how easy it is? Like this is in, and you open the clip, push it down, and you remove it easily. As easy as it should. And for the hook type, that's the one of the Jeep, you don't have to put, for example, for these optics plus 26, you don't have to put any of those adapters. You just clip it on the adapter that is provided. And actually this guy also has a easy check. Is a wear indicator, so when this one is gonna turn from black to yellow, it means you have to replace the blade. Okay, so that's the hook. Wait, look, I'm doing it with one hand. Push it in, done. Because, you know, the movement of the blade is gonna always push that direction. So this is never gonna come out, even if you don't have anything here to clip. So you just make sure you hear the click when you push it in, and it's done. You don't have absolutely anything else to check. You see here in the bottom is where your clip is. So when you want to remove it, you have to push on this and push the. You hold with your hand. Now with one hand I cannot do it. And then you're gonna push this in this way, and the wipers is gonna come out.